In front of us is a mechanical CNC turret punch press. The model is T30. 30 means the ton is about 30 tons and the punching capacity is 300 kilonewton. There is a significant difference from ESE-ER. It's the punch ram control motor. This motor is not a servo motor. It's a 3 phases synchronous motor. So that means the punch rate is 240 times per minute. It cannot compare to the ES and ER. ES-ER punch ram rate can up 2,000 times per minute. Although the punch rate is much smaller than the ES and ER, but it has its significant advantages. It is suitable for the customers that only need some easy punching functions requirement, like the punching holes and the easy forming functions, extrusion and embossing, and the punching rate 240 times is enough for the daily using. And of course, cost effective. The T30 is configured with the work table with float ball and a brush. For the easy material loading, they reduce the frictions of the plate and the work table.